guys, it's Ivy. Today I'm gonna show you guys just like my go-to style, my quick style, my low maintenance, get ready real fast type of style. You guys, I absolutely love this hair. So soft, so fluffy. This is definitely diva hair, but it's like if you put product in it, it can give tamed as well. So it doesn't have to be super big diva hair, but it's super easy to install. This is a closure unit and it has HD lace. And this wig is from Austria Hair. I haven't worked with Austria in a minute, but they've always been a very good, affordable company that I've always recommended. Like, if you want to do this look and you don't want to spend that much money, you definitely want to try out Austria Hair because like I said, they're super affordable and you can't beat it, you guys. Like, this hair is so cute. So let's get right into installing it. I've been talking enough. I did have my hair silk pressed. Y'all seen that video. So to prep our hair for our wig without braids, I'm gonna be using my Eco Styler gel. Y'all know about Eco Styler. And I'm literally just gonna put a little bit on the edges just so they can be back and out the way. Our next step would be to add our wig grip. So I will post this below. I got it off Amazon. I love this thing. Just put it on just like that. So once we have our wig grip on, this is how it should look. The wig I'm installing today is actually a closure wig. So I'm gonna need my little natural edges to blend with our unit and covered with your wig grip. Okay, it should look like this. So our unit today is from Austria Hair. Okay, they sent me over one of their beautiful closure unit, and this is how it looks. This is just the hair. Hopefully you guys can see that. It might be a little dark, but I am gonna do another clip of the hair, you guys. I did go in and bleach my knots. So what I did with this unit, I already took out the combs and everything. I have the adjustable straps ready to go. So I'm just gonna throw my wig on. I haven't had on a unit in so long, like so long. This is pretty, very nice and soft. I do, however, need to pluck this. As you guys can see, it's kind of giving full. Okay, you guys, so this is what the parting looks like. Of course, we need to pluck it. What we're gonna do is just take out a thin layer that's gonna be like the baby hair, and this is how I do it. I just do one and one. I do that so I can just see what I'm doing, okay? So now you just want to pluck back. It's so easy. Y'all, well, I feel like I'm getting a cold. Like, you know, you feel a little in the back. I need to go take some zinc. Because I'll be damned if I get sick again. Okay, you guys, so that is our first step. Now I'm gonna part it again, bring that hair down, and then we're gonna pluck some more. Another tip is to spray water so it's easier to snatch the hair out of the root. Make it right. We can get back to the good times. Try. Don't make me try. I kind of like plucking on my head now just so I don't take out too much hair. I could literally see exactly what I'm doing. I've definitely had instances where I've taken out way too much hair, and I don't want a whole lot of heavy fake looking baby hair on here. I'm just gonna take a little bit out from right there. It's just looking a little thick, and we can just move to the other side. Okay, you guys, so that's one side. Of course, you can do more if you want more. I just feel like that's That's enough. I feel like if I keep going, it might get a little thin. We don't want that. So now we're gonna go ahead and pluck this side. I can do this side a little easier because it's my dominant side.
Can we try, make it right? Can we go back to the good times? Maybe if we try, make it right.
Now this part is optional to like open up your parting, because sometimes these wigs be so close together, you be like, dang, nobody's scalp look like that. You just have to open it up. Okay, you guys, so I think we're done plucking. You just want to flip your hair back. To secure our unit, we're going to be using the EBN. You guys know. I'm just going to spray a little bit. Woo! A lot of it came out. Now we're going to take our blow dryer and just dry it down. Seriously, y'all, like, closure wigs are my favorite for, you know, when you just on the go, you just want to get your hair done, you don't want to do too much. Closure wigs are the best, like, and this wig from Austria Hair, the lace is really good, y'all. Like, I love this lace. So easy to lay. You guys see me doing everything in real time. So what I'm gonna do is take a little bit more EBN, but I'm gonna put it on my like finger and just run it along the front of the wig.
We can get back to the good times.
So now I'm just gonna do the baby hair. You guys know how I do my baby hair. I like to brush the hair out first, gel, sculpt, then I cut. This method gives me the perfect baby hair every time because I absolutely hate super thick, super fake looking baby hair. It's so ugly, you guys. Like, okay, you guys, hold on, okay, so I just installed it, and you guys saw me do the baby hair. It's really simple how I do my baby hair. What I'm gonna do next is use my EAP Heat hot comb. I was gonna say curl iron. You guys, this hair is humongous. It's a lot of hair. I don't think I need to co-wash it because the texture is so like soft. I'm probably just gonna wet it down. But first, let's just go ahead and press it out in the top. So now I'm just gonna take water and just spray it down. Perfect, like, put on and go hair. I love it. Alright, you guys, so this is what the texture is giving. It's so pretty. I'm gonna let it dry up a little bit. This is how the gorgeous hair turned out. I just think it's so beautiful. It's some of the prettiest hair I've had in a very long time, and I love that it's affordable. And it was so easy to install in this hair. When I don't know what to do with my hair, I'm throwing on this wig. If you guys are interested in this wig, I will link it below. So make sure you check out the description bar. All the links and details will be down there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to thumb this up, comment below, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys in the next one.